Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making whole wheat whey bread and let me show you how I make it. Here I have some whey left over from making some cottage cheese, and this is a vinegar whey. So I made some paneer and I have this left over. Now I have 1 cup of my whey, and I have 2 tablespoons of homemade yogurt here, and I have 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. You can use butter in place of ghee. So those are my liquid ingredients, and here I have my whole wheat flour and my vital wheat gluten and sugar. And as always, all the ingredients will be in the description box down below. And this bread, it's going to be a soaked bread. Now, why do we soak our whole grains? It's very important that you soak your whole grains, your legumes and seeds. Because why? This is a book that I'm reading right now. It's called Digestive Wellness. It's a program for a healthy digestive system. Now in this book, the author, she talks about why you should be soaking all your whole grains, because by that we get more nutrients from them, and it's more easily digestible, and it also releases or ends the phytic acid. The more you soak your whole grains, the phytic acid in them will be destroyed by doing so. And I'll talk about it more in a different video, like why you should be soaking your whole grains and your legumes and seeds. But this time it's going to be the bread. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix my liquid ingredient into my solid ingredients. And you can see that there's no salt in here, so that will be once the flour is like the dough is all soaked. Then we will add our salt and our yeast. But for now, I'm going to mix these 2 ingredients and we are going to soak them. Alright, so I mixed up the dry ingredients and wet ingredients using a spatula. And you don't have to knead it like a dough. Just mix it up. Make sure that every corner and all the dry ingredients, they get wet. And this is what we are going to call soaking. Now, the book says we can soak this dough for anywhere between 12 to 18 hours in order to get rid of the phytic acid. So I'm going to make it sit for 12 hours. Sometimes when I need it earlier, I just soak it for 8 hours, but 12 hours is ideal. So I'm going to let this sit and then we'll come back. Alright guys, so here's my dough. It's been soaking for more than 12 hours now, and I forgot to mention that it should be in room temperature. It shouldn't be inside the refrigerator, neither it should be in a very hot room like 80 degrees or something. It should be very much below 70 or like 70-ish degree room temperature. And here now what I did was I took the dough and I tore it apart into small pieces and I distributed it in my bread machine. Today I'm going to make it in my bread machine. This recipe is very good even for the oven. Like you can make this whole wheat whey bread in oven. Just add in your yeast and salt, and you'll have to knead it with your hand for 5 minutes. But as I'm gonna make it in my bread machine, the machine will take care of it. So here's the inside of my bread machine, and I have added the salt and the yeast inside there. I'm going to start the whole wheat cycle, and it's going to mix in all this. Here is our dough. It's a smooth ball right in the center of the bread machine, which means that this dough is just perfect. You can touch it and see it's not too wet, neither is it too dry, or else it will be sticking to the walls. So this is a perfect consistency. Now we're just gonna let the bread machine do its work, and you can see that this bread is lovely. Like you can see how beautiful the dough is. Like it's stretchy, and this is gonna give you very good bread. So we're just gonna let it sit and let the bread machine do its work, and I'll get back to you when the bread is done. There we have, guys, our final product, our whole wheat whey bread. It's super soft, you can see, and it smells so amazing right now. The smell of fresh baked bread, and this kind of bread you cannot get it in stores. It's a soaked whole wheat whey bread, and whey is so good for your body. Whey powder is the thing that the bodybuilders, like if you want muscles, that's the powder they drink. So it has all the enzymes from the milk using which you made your cottage cheese. And I hope you guys really give this a try and see for yourself how good this bread is. And this is the healthiest that it can get. So you guys, I'm gonna post the videos related to whole grains and how to prepare them properly. It will be coming very soon, so watch out for that. And I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and do subscribe to my channel for more fun videos like this. Thank you for watching, guys. Until the next video, bye bye.